All right. Okay, did you figure out how much it was? It was super duper easy, cheesy, peasy, wheezy, right? So here we have 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. What number is being repeated over and over? The number 5. 5, 5. So 5 plus 5 is what? We all know what it is. How many groups do we have? Remember, the first number tells us how many groups we have. How many groups do we have over here? 1, 2. We have 2 groups. 2 groups of what? 2 groups of 5. So 2 times the number 5 is, you know what it is. So do number 7 and do number 8. Now, look at number 9. Remember what I told you. The first number tells us how many groups. The second number tells us what number is in each group. What number is being repeated. So here it says, times the number 2. So the number 2 is being repeated over and over and over. So here we've got 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Well, how many groups of 2 do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 2's. 5 times the number 2 gives us what? Well, let's check it. It says 10, but I want to make sure. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here we go. It is correct. So 5 times the number 2 is 10. Now let's look at this one. It says 3 times something gives us 27. Okay. Well, up here's our clue. Here it says 3 groups of some number that keeps getting repeated should go here. So what number keeps getting repeated? What number do we repeat? How many groups do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of what number? 9. 3 groups of 9. 3 times 9 is 27. And if you add these 3 9s, it should give us 27. If it doesn't give us 27, if these 2 answers aren't the same, then something's not right. Okay, and you're going to have to check again. So on this one, it doesn't give you the group and it doesn't give you the repeated number. But here's your clue. Here's your clue. What number keeps getting repeated? What number keeps getting repeated? 8. That is correct. That's the number that keeps getting repeated. Remember, the groups, oops, it's over here. Remember, the first number tells us the group. The second number tells us what number is being repeated over and over. So over here, the number that's being repeated is 8. How many 8s do we have? How many groups? 1, 2. So we have 2. 2 times the number 8. 2 times the number 8. Now, if we add 8 plus 8, we should get 16. And you should be able to be, this should be the same as the bottom number, 16 and 16. So you have this to practice, this to practice, this to practice on your own. And if you need some Cheerios, then get some. No, I didn't need any. I'm just counting them. No, I'm not eating any. All right. Look at number 10. This is a word problem. but you can figure it out because it's super easy. It says, 3 people pick apples. Here's the 3 people. 1, 2, 3. 3 people pick apples. Each person picks 5 apples. How many apples do they pick in all? So here's the 3 people, and they each have 5 apples. What number is being repeated over and over and over? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 groups times what number is getting repeated over and over? 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 times the number 5 is, you figure it out. And then the answer should go over here. Now look at number 11. 4 people pick 8 pumpkins. Now this one's a little different, but I think you can figure it out. 4 people pick 8 pumpkins in all. The answer, they already gave you 8. How many people are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says each person picks the same number of pumpkins. This number is going to be repeated. Blah, blah, plus blah, blah, plus blah, blah, plus blah, blah. It's not going to be bloop, boop, plus bloop, boop, plus bloop, boop, plus bloop. It's going to be the same number. Each person picks the same number of pumpkins. How many pumpkins does each person pick? Well, we have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it tells us that the answer altogether, when you say this number plus this number plus this number plus this number, should give us 8. All right? So 4 times the number what is going to give us 8? You can't say 4 times 8 is going to give us 8, because 4 times the number 8, it's going to be 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is already 16. And then plus 8 is going to be another. So that's already too much to be 8. So it can't be 8. It's got to be something else. 4 times what number is going to give us 8? You figure it out. Then look at number 12. 4 students go to the gift shop. Each student buys 3 postcards. Which sentence shows this problem? Now, there's 4 students. 4. And each student got 3 postcards. 3 postcards, 3 postcards, 3 postcards, 3 postcards. So they're asking you, how many groups are there, first of all? And then what number is being repeated over and over? Which one of these is the correct answer to this problem? I do not want you to do number 13. Don't do 13. Okay? Now, I do want you to do page 445. It's the same thing we've been doing over and over. And I need for you to do page 146. I do not want you to do number 7. Do not do number 7. You can do it if you want to practice, but I'm only going to grade 1 through 6. Each one is worth 20 points. Okay, so you're going to do page 445, page 446. These pages that we just did together, those are practice for you. Be practicing, especially number 4, 6, 7, and 8, because we didn't get the answers to those. And practice this one, and you can practice that one if you want. But I need this one. I need page 445. This is the one that I'm going to grade. page 445 and page 446. Do not do number 7. All right? Okay, I'll leave you to do some math. And while I have you here, don't forget to look over your spelling. School, spoon, zoo, moose, stool, broom, look, book, cook, shook. All your work is here. Read these words every night, your sight words. And don't forget to get on Compass Learning for 30 minutes a day. And the rest is on here. Make sure you turn it in. I'll talk to you later.